Zdravo, Borut Petrlin here. Today we're going to talk about another photographer who is a role model for me for many reasons. We are talking about the book of Stojan Kerbler. Stojan Kerbler is a living legend, like Slovenian Henri Cartier-Bresson. They're saying why. Well, here I have, let me say, here I have his signature and dedication to my work. Why? Because he was creating, like these are pictures from 80s and 70s, and he photographed his place where he grew up, and he had such a beautiful eye for people, and I think it's amazing how, you know, these pictures are, well, he's now 84, and you know, that's one of the reasons. Yeah, you see this? Yeah, do you remind you this picture? Or let me show you this picture. Let me show you a few more pictures of him. So this is 1970, 61, 72. Yeah, this his beautiful love for his people. He was never a professional photographer. He was an engineer, but look at those pictures, huh? Oh, look at this one. This one is great. I'm not sure. Wait, there should be a bigger picture. Wait. So look at this one. This was done in 75. So this guy is now old, like 55, 56, something like that. Yeah, look at this picture. You know, do you remember Bresson's picture of a French family with a bottle of wine? Yeah, I love this one. So good. Good, and here are the words. And this is about his work in a factory, you know. 1980, this was like the time of socialism in Yugoslavia. And these are also great documentation of those times, for better or for worse. Yeah, this is a good one. Look at this one. Yeah, some of his prints are still available. Original prints are available for purchase from Galleria Fotografia. I will leave the link below if you want to contact them and buy a print from him. They're good. Yeah, look at that. Pig slaughter. Good. So one of the reasons why Stojan Kerbler is such a role model for me is because he's 84 or 86, something like that. No, wait. Anyway, doesn't matter. The point I'm trying to say is like he's still alive and still working and still taking pictures. You know, still publishing books. This is the guy that took a picture. This is the second book of him that I talked about before, and so you know it's good to see the old photographers still having their passion and their love for photography, but because that means, you know, we are the same, hopefully. Stay tuned and press like, subscribe, let Google know that you will appreciate this.